Kasi, sige, punta ka lang sa Discord. Baka di orinig na Axol. Axolier, may special case sa'yo kasi normally, use our assassin to mark one player. On Maple, it's Lord Sky. Pero dito, wala ka tayong ibang mark so far. So what you'll do is, you'll be the one scouting the basis, saan ka kaunti ang tao, saan walang tao. If you can do solo take, that's totally fine. If you can do solo take, that's totally fine. Alright, if you can do solo take, that's totally fine. I think okay na. Yeah, okay na. Enter now. Food buffs, guys. Okay, 3 to 8 above 3 to 8 above 1 to 2 on star. Parang di ko pa parang di pa natin testing yung ano eh. Papatayin natin sila from behind. Parang yung damage natin is parang ako 100% confident na we can clear them out very fast. Yeah. Okay. We'll proceed with our plan. 1 to 2 and star, 3 to 8 above moon. Let them change the color of moon for 1 to 2 seconds and then retake it. 1 and 2, if we don't have a contestant on star, we will go to moon quickly, okay? Only Bro Mod will stay in star. He will be the one staying in star to complete the retake. Players who are away, Renzo, Axolier, pasok na. Hestia, pasok na po. Thank you. Alright. Take sa akin sa iyo. Wala na kayo na. Scoutin ko lang kayo. Yeah, you can use EL at the beginning, guys. You can use EL at the beginning, especially 3 to 8. You can use EL at the beginning. They can out-position your enemy. So, tama yung position ng 3 to 8. 3 to 8 should be here above everyone, 3 to 8. Yeah, sun sides makapal. Just remember, our rotation will be after taking moon. We will all RG between star and moon, and then we will decide which side we will go. All right? Tama si Kaloy. Don't change the color if you can fully take. Tama. But if you think solo ka, bro, walang nagko-contest, busy sila fighting. Okay lang yun. I think konti lang we can handle them. Star side, let them change the color again for everyone, even for moon and star. Let them change the color for the first 1 to 2 seconds and then we will forcefully take it, alright? Agana. Can't switch for PvP map. Wait, lalabas lang ako. Yeah, if you have EL, use it. On the beginning of the match. Use it if you have EL. They're ba't nasa baba yung grupo nila, Boss Smile? Sa above po kayo ng ano? Posisyon na po tayo na tama, ababaron po sana, ababaron. Para po isang galaw po kayo, hindi tayo iwahiwalay. So, above, so sa baron side po. 10, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Don't go inside ha. Don't go inside pa. Don't go inside muna. Let them take the moon. Hindi na. Sige, marami sila sa star. Marami sila sa star. Take moon, take moon. Take moon, take moon. We're holding on star. Nakuha yung moon. Okay, let's RG between star and moon. Okay, nakuha ang star. 20 seconds to retake moon. Let's stay here lang. RG on star and moon. RG between star and moon. Get out of moon. Get out of moon. I want them to change the color of that base. Get out of moon. Let's RG between star and moon. Between star and moon. 10 seconds, they can let them change the color. Okay, let's go above the baron side. Above the baron side. And 1. Let them change the color. Above the baron rotation. Above the baron side. Enter now. Enter now. Enter now. Enter now. Okay. Let them change the color of star. Lock. Okay. Let's go out of. Let them change the color of star. If you have silent cooldown, fall back. Okay, retake star. Retake star. Oh, they cannot hurt. Okay, retake star. Retake star. Good job. Yeah, should be sabay-sabay. Our flow is like that. Okay, again, 10 seconds. Let's go above. Let's go above. Go above moon. Let them change the color. Ospato, labas mo tayo. Tayo mo natin i-change na yung color. Tayo mo natin i-change na yung color. Let them change the color. Labas mo tayo sa base. Okay, pasok now. Enter now. Enter now. Enter moon now. Enter moon now. That's okay. Enter moon now. This is the movement that we want to practice for everyone. Okay, then let's proceed to star. Let them take star. Okay, let's go. Clear them out, clear them out, clear them out. Robot, you're dying, you're dying. I got you. Go inside star now. If your science is on cooldown, fall back. If your science is not on cooldown, then you can head on. Alright, RG again. RG again on the middle. Above, near the baron side. Let them change the color. Taas, hindi pa baba. Okay, enter moon now. Enter moon now. Enter moon now. Enter moon now. It's okay. Yeah, I want to practice. Wala pa tayong about the sound. Yeah. I can still see guys entering from the side. Quick balance. Let them take star. Let them take. Okay, that's it. Re-retake namin ng star. Okay, everyone, enter star. Okay, excellent. Everyone, enter star. Alright. Alright. Hello, Turbo Cat. See you on Wednesday. Okay, above tayo. Okay, above is near the baron side. Okay. RG again here. Okay. RG again here. Okay, take. Baka natin dito pa sa rotation. Mas natin above near the baron side. Above the baron. Near the baron side. Okay, may tatlo na tayo. Again, our baron team will be team 8. Okay. Squared. Your team will be the baron team later. Under 11 minutes mark. Pwesto na kayo doon. Eh, mobs pa. 40 seconds above per mob. They're done. Okay, let's RG between star and moon. RG between star and moon. 1 and 2, let's go to star mobs. 4 to 8, go to baron mobs. Party number 3, hold star. It's okay. Party number 3, hold star. 1 and 2, go to star mobs. Let them take, that's okay. 4 to 8, go to baron side mobs. 4 to 8, go to baron side mobs. 3, protect star. 3, 1. Okay, let's RG again on top of moon once you're done. You got the mobs here. RG again on top of moon. Okay, RG again on top of moon. Okay lang, okay lang. Target natin. Just go. Okay, let's retake. Abot pa tayo sa star. Retake muna fast, abot pa tayo sa star. Let them take star, let them take the color of star. Let's retake moon. Let them take the color of star. Please back from star. Retake moon. Let them take the color of star. Tama yung ginagawa niya ako tama. Okay, let's change the color of star. Yeah. Tama yung ginagawa niya ako. Actually, kayo lang sa sana. Tama yung discarding natin yan. Tama yan. Sige, that's okay. Sige. If your Scion is on cooldown, you can pull up. If you have Scion, fight head on. Alright, RG again on above the moon. Let them take the color of moon. Guys I want you to embed this on your head. This is our rotation. Okay, take on our future fight. Will be our rotation. Baron side na yan, baron side. Let them take star. The bottom side is okay, let's take star everyone. Yan marami kami. Sabi sa inyo, always make the setup 40 players Okay, RG again on Baron side. Let them pick the color. Taas pro Baron side. Okay. Take mo na again. Sa Baron side na lang. Take wood. Okay, give them wood. Let's RG again with storage. Hindi na sila bumubuhay. Let them take the color of star. Don't enter. Let them take the color of star. Jump. Okay, push star. Alright. Okay, go above. Team 8. Mamaya pa. Baron side, let them take the color of moon. Sabi ka rin yung so take bangon, huwag ka matulog. Yan, take. Mabilis yung point na mo. 700 ka agad tayo. Okay, RG again. Star. Tresa, labas kayo sa star. Let them take, don't enter, let them take star. Don't enter. Let them take star. Okay, enter star now. Yan. Wala ba yan? Chop. Ano na yung pakita na kanila. Team number 8. Go to Baron na. Okay. Let's try to retake moon first. So, ganito mangyayari if you are successful If you are successful total, tingnan nyo, this is the result, okay? Okay, retake. This is the result, okay? Magkagaling tayo lahat in the come from team 8, go to Baron. Get away from moon, let's create a choke point. Here on the left side, they'll be coming from star. Choke point here. Yeah, choke point here. Team 8, I'm gonna set a timer. First Baron, okay? I want to test na kayo kabilis ng first ng Baron. 8. Let's practice putting Basilica and Baron. I need 2 FS Basilica and Baron. Basilica and Baron. Kaya natin i-burst yung Baron ng mabilis eh. Yeah. See, we have 38 mobs again. They have 2. Parang yung sa Maple last time, 2 lang din ang mobs sila, sa atin 38.